Long live your majesty.
You have seen what your eyes were never meant to see. You have seen what is meant for the eyes of those who are snatched away from this earth forcefully.
Your Majesty, I didn't know. I just went about my breakfast routine. I'm sorry. Please spare my life, Your Majesty. Please, I beg you, spare my life. Spare my life.
You ask for the impossible. Only death awaits you.
No, Your Majesty, please. Please, I beg you. I beg you, oh God, please save me. Save me from the consequences of this innocent mistake. I'm sorry, I didn't know.
I will spare your life.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Majesty. I promise I will not involve myself in this kind of mistake again. Please.
You know why?
Your Majesty. No.
Because you still have sensitive things that you do for me. If I were you, I will let what I have seen remain with my eyes alone.
Majesty, I promise. I promise, I will not tell anyone. I will not tell anybody.
You should know that you will never be this lucky next time.
Yes, thank you, Majesty. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, more. Yeah, go, no, go, see a lorry.
Something is not right with the chef.
You're right. She's been acting strange since morning. And the king, coming to have a word with her immediately he returned from his trip, confirmed it all.
Who knows what she has done wrong? I'm surprised that she's still breathing and walking freely in this palace. This is Amusu that I know would have beheaded her since.
We serve in a palace where one's life is not guaranteed. One single mistake like this, you are gone.
And the most annoying thing is that nobody will say anything.
Eh?
Even your people can't ask after you.
Eh? Ask after you from who? From Ezamusu. Ha! My no deal. That one, very wicked human being.
You look amazing. You know, I can never trade you for anything. Money, riches, never. You can see you're ready. Look at your dress. Eh? Someone. So, can we?
Yes, of course. I am fully ready. You know, when we get there, this is how there's this picture I saw on my phone. Like this. That's what I saw. So, but I don't know if this is your top match. And you can the white polo I told you to wear.
Yes,
this is Nigerian. So,
I
and your shoe.
Yes, I can't wear this now.
So, why are you crying under the tree? I hope your father is alright.
He's not. He's not. Anayo, he's not.
No. Don't tell me your father is dead.
He's about to. He asked me to call his first son, Ebuka. He said if he doesn't see Ebuka before he dies, that his spirit will not forgive him.
He wants you to go to Ezamusu's palace to go and call your brother.
Exactly my point. I've tried explaining to him that nobody goes to the king's palace without an invitation. Most of the people that went there are all dead.
Chisom, maybe what your father wants to tell your brother is that serious.
To risk knocking on the king's gate. Eh, Anayo?
Hi. Chisom, see, you never can tell. You can go and try. Maybe the gods will favor you. See, I understand. I know the king is very wicked. We can just try. It's okay, stop crying.
Jesus! Yes. Lord of Jesus! Lord of Jesus!
Stop in front there.
Hey, God Almighty. Hey, if we walk fast, He will see us. Hey, Jesus, why did we meet this man today? We should know, let's price farm. Let's just do like if we want to price farm.
Yo, come here.
Face.
I mean the young lady, come here. Come here.
Greetings. Yes, I'm also.
This is my king.
What is your name?
My name is...
Shut up, I didn't ask you.
My name is Uju.
Uju. Who is your father? From which kindred?
My father is late. He died long ago. I'm from Akwete kindred. Okay, this side, this side, down here. Somehow down there. Yes.
Today. Answer!
Your Majesty, I was the one. I couldn't afford not to. It was a matter of life and death. I am sorry, my king. Please forgive me. I was forced to do so by circumstances beyond my emotional control.
What circumstances are you talking about?
Immediately you left this morning, you sent for me.
Oh, yes. President.
Thank you, sir. You don't look cheerful.
That's because I am not cheerful.
Hope all is well.
Well, all is not well, my son.
What could that be then?
Your brother Chisom was here.
Chisom? Chisom, my brother. My father. Is my father dead?
Calm down first. Calm down first.
Has my father died?
Calm down first.
Please. I'm calm. Please. Tell me everything I told you. Don't hide anything from me, please.
Who is there?
My name is Chisom, sir.
My son, who sent you to your early grave? How can you freely run into the gates of hell? Now listen, if you value your life, better leave before the king returns and sees you here.
I know all that, sir. It's a matter of life and death. I have a very important message to my brother, sir.
Who is that your brother?
He's one of the palace guards.
Doesn't he have a name?
His name is Ebuka, sir.
Ebuka? Okay. What is the message?
My father said I should tell him that if he eventually dies today without seeing him, that his soul will not rest in peace and his spirit will haunt him, Ebuka, my brother, for the rest of his life, sir. Do you get my message, sir?
Yes. I will send your message across. Okay, so, leave.
Okay, sir.
I want you to listen and listen good.
I'm listening.
The words of the elders are the words of wisdom. Oku Okenye, Oku Amamihe. Your father is not yet dead, yet he is at the point of death. He wishes to have a word with you before he dies. He said his soul will never rest in peace, and his spirit will haunt him all the days of my life, if you fail to come and see him before he dies.
Pastor Simon, you know the kind of job we do here. We are not allowed to go anywhere. We are only allowed to go out once in a whole year, which is on Christmas Day. And December is far from now.
Ebuka, you have to go and see your dying father. I will cover you up. Mortality and immortality have a very slim line that no mortal just crosses. It is better to die in peace with mortality than to live an enemy of immortality. So, you can go. I will take care of everything.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Thank you. My lord, to what do I owe this August visit?
I am here to see your daughter Uju. Tell her that King Ojemba, Ezeamosu, is here for her.
Ezeamosu, my daughter is not around. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know my king.
Are you lying to me?
No, sir. I'm sorry.
You dare to lie to me?
No, sir. No, my lord.
Very well. Wherever she is, go and fetch her. And I give you 10 minutes. 10 minutes!
Anyaga wasn't so no bodanio. Kobuka isobe na lanyo. Nife melua. Alune mezekwano. Chukwu okike no kwanso. Nancha bagani aga. Okwonya siko chibani nebu anyebo. Okwonya siko dubani nebuzi anyebo.
What is it? Why are you running like that? Mama, what is it? Keyin? Mama, who's pursuing you? What is it now?
You can't better than no. You can't take. No.
Ezeamosu. Mama, Ezeamosu.
He's in our house. He said I should come and fetch you.
Jesus. Mama, you would have told him that I'm not around now. You'd have told him that you've never seen me for some days.
I told him now. He was so furious. I wanted to kill me there.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm getting married to somebody else. I'm not going anywhere.
He's in our house now waiting for you. He said I should come with you. He gave me only 10 minutes. 10 minutes to get you.
I'm not going anywhere.
Would you? You are putting my life in danger.
You too. You are putting my own life in danger.
Hey.
Mama, do that for me. Because help me to close my shop. Mama, you
Uju! Uju! My God. How will I take this man? How will I take this man? Hey! Zamusu. How will I take this man?
All right. 10 minutes up. Get me out of here.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Anyaga wasn't so no bodanio. Kobuka isobe na lanyo. Nife melua. Alune mezekwano. Chukwu okike no kwanso. Nancha bagani anya. Okwonya siko chibani nebu anyebo. Okwonya siko dubani nebuzi anyebo. Alune mezekwano. Obodo delogano. Kadonya eka kosalo. Kadonya eka kwano. Chukwu okike no kwanzo. Oto senye maka. Kedumbo gebi kanyo. Alisabato senye maka. Kedumbo gebi kanyo. Alisabato senye maka. Kedumbo gebi. Alisabato senye maka.
in fear and terror, and things are getting worse day by day. Kedifaiga konwo, kedonya gebekuro, onye si n'ọsọ, onye azụ n'ọsọ, nwoke na nwaanyị n'ọsọ, obodo agbasagokwa.
Hey, I'm finished. Nkema agugo. Hey, Uju, my daughter. Hey, Uju Araputalam. Uju has killed me. My own is finished, yo. My own is finished. Hey. Oh, my own is finished. I am dead already. What am I doing? I am finished, yo. My God!
Oh my God. What a bad day. You should just let me be. You should go and look for someone else. There are a lot of girls in this village. Oh. I'm not interested. I'm someone's wife.
You talk as if it's that easy.
I don't care. If it's easy or not, I don't care. You see, these my two legs. I will not set my foot in that compound again. Because I know he will send his boys after me. I know.
My dear, you have to think about this. So you're saying it as if it's easy. You're just saying it. Don't you know King Ojemba? As long as you are still in this planet Earth, he's going to look for you. Seems like you don't like your mother. This is very serious, so very, very serious.
My son, she is sleeping already.
Well, that's good.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Mama, you and I and everyone in this village, we all know what this evil king Ojemba is capable of doing. I mean, that man is a tyrant. He's a terror. You don't expect me to sit and wait for him to come and take my wife, a woman I paid a bright price? The best thing is for us to leave. I mean, what option do we have? Fed up.
It's okay. The gods of this land will protect both of you. Kangolokole, he say... Chai! Izamusu. One thing I know is that nothing in this life lasts forever.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. Mama, please forgive me. Forgive me. Mama, please. Please. Mama.
Get rid of this mess.
You master healer!
My son, Ozuko, you can't continue like this. You have been crying since you came back. Like I told you, no woman in this planet Earth is worth your tears. Wipe off your face. You are a man. Ozuko, oh one. Ozuko, it's okay. Clean your face. It's okay, please. Just wipe off your face. Hi.
Mama. Mama, I am not just crying because of losing Uju. I am crying because of the manner a man who calls himself our king, who is supposed to be protecting us, has turned himself to a demon against us. And everyone trembles at the sound of his voice. He cuts off people's lives as though it means nothing to him. And no one has come to challenge him because everyone is afraid of him.
Every terror has an end. He is not the first king that have lived like this. And he is not going to be the last. So, my son, it's okay. Please.
Mama, my heart is broken. For how long are we going to continue like this? For how long, Mama? How long?
It is only the Creator that has answer to your questions. Vengeance is of Him. At the right time, He will put the traitor in the place He put others who were before Him. Katobi, ọkwara nwoke ka ewu, ficha anya mmiri. It's okay. It's okay, cheer up now.
I know that girl. I know her. Oh, yes, she's the one. I'm very sure. I do know that girl.
Do you? I'm looking for Benny.
I don't have
Benny,
it.
Benny,
I
or
don't
Benny,
have
or
it.
Benny.
I don't have it, Benny.
Which one I go use cook stew now? Which kind?
Which do you want cook?
I want cook better stew.
Are you the cook? I've been your wife.
No, I never married. I still be small pikin.
Okay, your girlfriend.
No, I don't get girlfriend. I mean, won't use my hand cook.
Okay, you sabi cook.
Which kind of question be that one?
No man for nowhere for help you know.
I dey cook before now.
Okay,
yes.
So make I give you get spice I will give you. It will help you well.
Okay, Spice City. This one, it go do am.
It will help you. Once you just put rice, boil your rice, put water, put oil, small oil. Pour this one. You get tomato inside, get color, you get everything.
Only this one?
Yes.
Ha! How much?
Sister, come by, yo. Come by. Okay. What do you want?
You don't get nylon. You go inside bag now.
Sister, come by. I have crayfish. Tell me crayfish you want. I have crayfish. I have grounded one. I have oil, groundnut oil, spices, even ginger, garlic, okporoko, rice, curry. If it's beans, see beans. If not beans you want, no look say they don't finish. I pick it from my neighbor. They give you. You be ogbo, like you ogbo. You know they hear? You know they talk?
I can talk. Auntie, please. I want to beg you for a favor. Please, my sick father, he has not eaten for days. And I don't have money to prepare anything for him. Likewise me, I have not eaten for days. Please, I don't know if you can give me condiment on credit so I can cook for my father, please.
You don't have relatives?
No, I don't have any relative. The thing is that my father was banished out of his community with his pregnant wife. So they settled here ever since then. There's no relative anywhere.
What about your mother?
She died while giving birth to me.
Are you sure you're not one of these people that keeps coming here to lie so that we will give them food?
Hey, Mbakwa, Mba, no. You can ask around. People they know me. I'm not that kind of person. No, not at all. Please.
When it comes to food, I can never say no to anyone. Because food is a necessity. I'll give you everything you need to cook for your father. Don't worry. If it's the truth you're telling me, your father will not die.
Thank you.
I'll give you everything you need.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
I don't have meat. I'll give you egg in place of meat.
Hi.
I'll give you garlic. I'll give you things for egusi soup and stew.
Hey, Chukwu, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
I'm sure she may not even recognize me. Oh God. How did she fall into the death trap of this man, all in the name of getting married to him? Of all the women in this kingdom, why a kind-hearted girl like her?
No. 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 No, God, please. Please do not make me lose faith. Do not make me lose faith in humanity completely, please. Why does bad thing happen to good people? Why? Why?
Mother, please forgive me. I will not listen to you. I will not listen to you. I knew I hadn't been listening to you. Maybe you would be alive. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mother, I was watching you. I couldn't do anything to save you. It's almost a demon! Ah! Mama, please, I'm sorry I failed you. I'm so sorry, I'm still a prisoner too.
Me wanna pour me water.
Mamuju. Mamuju, when they give me food. Hi.
Oh, my head won't blow.
They gonna kill her for me. Who gonna give me food again? Hi. Hi. Hi, Adele.
Who's
King's boys brought home the body of Mama Uju and buried it here.
Jesus Christ! Hey! Wait, are you trying to tell me that Mama Uju is dead?
That is how we saw it though.
Hey! God, why now? Why? Why would you be there and the devil is here on this earth destroying the beautiful world that you created? Hey!
Mama Uju.
Hey! Mama Uju is dead.
Okwanya sikodubani nebuzi aniemu Alu nemezikwanuo Obodo delogwanuo Kadonya eka kosalo Kadonya eka gwanuo Chukwu okike no kwanzo Oto senye maka Sorry. Mama, I want to come and meet you. Mama.
It's okay, alright? Listen, I'm here for you. I'm here for you. Whatever thing that you want me to do for you, I will help you. With the little I can. I brought you food. Alright? I added some special herbs into your food. It will help reduce the pain and make you heal faster. Yes. I have to go now, but I will return. I will come back because I have a lot of things to tell you.
Ekwensu.
I didn't see this coming. I never dreamed it would end this way. I saw us growing all together, happy in each other's arms. We both love each other. They were celebrating our victory, and then the king happened. If I had known it would turn out this way, I should never have left you in your father's house. I left you in your father's house because I wanted to fulfill my religious obligations. If I saw this coming, I should have taken you home after paying your bride price. And let me see how we'll come and take another man's wife. I am heartbroken. I don't think I'll get over this. I don't think I will.
Uzo, my love. I knew this was not the kind of life we planned to live. I'm very sorry. Maybe we wouldn't have. We were not supposed to do our photo shoot that day. Pre-wedding photo shoot turned to pain. I just hope in my next life, I'll be able to give you the children you deserve.
Relax, relax.
I thought you were not going to come again.
I had to make sure that he wouldn't find out that I came into this room as at the time I'm not supposed to come in. Because if he finds out, I'm a dead meat already.
But he seems to know everything that happens around him.
You're right. But this particular night, he wouldn't know about it.
You sound so sure.
Yes, that's because I'm sure.
You really sound confident.
Uju, I am so confident. Believe me.
You are so confident of Eze and Monsu. How?
You are not happy to see me? You look very dull. What happened?
She's not supposed to take anything from any other person apart from the king. But then I noticed this joy, the happiness she gets, the way she feels whenever she sees me serving someone else chicken. So I decided to add some sleeping pills into the chicken that I gave to her to eat. The thing is, she's going to sleep all day and all night. And in as much as she's sleeping, Ezamuso will not know whatever thing that is going on around him.
Who is this girl?
His wife. The one he loves and makes love to. While you and the other wives before you are his object of rituals that increases his fame and riches.
By leaving us in a dungeon.
More rituals are yet to come, Uju. You just came in.
How did you come in here? And how did you earn his trust? Because he trusts you so well. He seems to trust you so well. So how did you earn his trust?
You know, my father later died and I became an orphan. I was frustrated. Life was so hard and difficult. I didn't know what to do. And then I decided to take my life with my own hands.
I sacrifice to you my semen of 6 months. After several withdrawals from the girl fathered by a dog and mothered by a human, as the semen has never touched the ground, so shall I live from age to age in immortality. Betty! Betty! What is going on? This is negligence. Look, it's daybreak. No. I can't lose everything that I've worked for. The altar of stupid sleepiness. Something is definitely wrong with you.
May the king live longer than his fathers. Thank you, Your Majesty.
So what is the result from the lab?
Just malaria and a little typhoid.
Is that all these labs can give every time? Malaria, typhoid?
These are very common to us in this part of the world because of our climatic and geographical conditions. That's why they are too common.
So, how does that make one sleep every time?
Some of the symptoms include fatigue and tiredness. Once someone is fatigued, sleep becomes a hobby.
So, what do we do now?
I came with her prescribed medications. Once the doses are followed judiciously, she'll be fine.
Good. I want you to come. Let us see her.
After you, Your Majesty.
Escape?
Yes.
Where are we going to?
Anywhere out of this kingdom, out of this palace, just anywhere.
I don't understand. Where are we escaping to?
You want to stay here and ask me questions?
No, hurry up, let's go. Let's go. Shh, please, are you sure? Are you sure?
Believed that I trusted you, huh? Believe I trusted you. stupid can you be?
Sorry, sir. Yes.
I cannot even trust myself. How stupid can you be?
It's the devil's handwork. I'm sorry. I don't know what people about me. I'm sorry. It's the devil's handwork. Yes.
You! How many times have I taught you how to be loyal to your king? You seem to be a hard learner. I am King Ojemba. The only mortal that enters the land of the spirits and returns. Nobody crosses my path. Anybody who does that does not live to tell the story.
Alụ na-emezikwanụ obodo delugonu kedu onye ga-akọsalụ kedu onye ga-agwanụ Chukwu okike nọkwa nso atọsọ enyemaka.
Uju, how was your night? You slept well? You didn't sleep well? What happened? I brought you yours.
I had a very terrible dream last night. We were trying to escape. We were almost through when all of a sudden from nowhere, Ezamonso appeared. He killed you and he killed me. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you, Jane. I don't want anything to happen to you. Please be careful.
Uju. Every death is death. No matter how it comes. Yes. If we don't escape, we'll die still. So what's the difference?
I know. But please, be careful.
I will. Just enjoy